Have you ever found yourself wondering how to secure your data in ASP.NET Core? It can be a bit confusing, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the equivalent of MachineKey.Protect and MachineKey.Unprotect in ASP.NET Core. I totally get it. Transitioning from the classic ASP.NET framework to ASP.NET Core can feel like learning a new language. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same question when they start working with ASP.NET Core. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, what is the equivalent of MachineKey.Protect and MachineKey.Unprotect in ASP.NET Core? If you've been wondering the same thing, stick around as we explore this together. So what exactly is the issue here? In classic ASP.NET, MachineKey was used for data protection, but ASP.NET Core has a different approach. Understanding this transition is crucial for securing your applications effectively. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will help you implement data protection seamlessly in your ASP.NET Core applications. To find the equivalent of MachineKey.Protect and MachineKey.Unprotect in ASP.NET Core, the user should start by understanding that ASP.NET Core uses data protection APIs for similar functionality. Next, the user needs to install the necessary NuGet package. This can be done by adding the Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.DataProtection package to the project. After installing the package, the user should configure the data protection services in the startup class. This involves adding the services to the service collection. Now the user can use the data protection APIs to protect and unprotect data. This is done by injecting the IDataProtector interface into their classes. Finally, the user should test the implementation to ensure that the data is being protected and unprotected correctly. This can be done by calling the protect and unprotect methods. Fun fact, the data protection API in ASP.NET Core is designed to be simple yet powerful, making it easier for developers to secure their applications without a steep learning curve. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using a NuGet package called SF Security. You can find it at the link provided, or install it directly using the command install package SF Security version 1.0.0. Here's the bonus tip I promised. Always remember to use a unique purpose string when creating your IDataProtector. This helps ensure that your data is protected in a way that is specific to your application's needs. And there you have it. You now know how to use the data protection API in ASP.NET Core as an equivalent to MachineKey.Protect and MachineKey.Unprotect. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into securing your applications.